That's right, guys, we're installing the Invidia Q400 on the WRX. Well, as you can see, I still have my stock exhaust on, but sometimes you just want to have that a bit more, a deeper tone, you know. So this is the Invidia Q400, which I wanted to get in the first place, but then I couldn't really justify the $1,000 for an exhaust, and I got this used for half the price, so it's a good deal. So, and also this has the mufflers on it, so it's legal. So I'm not sure how loud this is gonna be, so we're gonna find out together. So let's get started. So this time I have the WD-40 for the exhaust gasket, the gasket hanger. So there's one more rubber gasket here. WD-40 does the job. Now I'll just get this off. Okay, so we're actually got this thing off, so we're gonna change this to the new Invidia lip pipe. So right now we're trying to get this thing off the old pipe. Put this back into the hanger. Right there. Okay, I got it in. Okay, now that's in. Now we're gonna go to install the bolts onto the end to secure this bit pipe. Okay, let's get this thing up in here. If you don't want to use a stock spring bolt, you can buy an Invidia stock downpipe to 3-inch exhaust adapter, which is around $40, and it would make your installation much faster and easier. So in order to get the spring in, I have to use a plier or a clamp like this. I have to hold it in like this and insert the nut up here. Took a while, so I got everything all tightened. So now this is solid. So yeah, so this is done. So let's move on to putting on the mufflers. my god, that sounds so good, so much better than the muffler delete. The muffler delete is louder. This is a little bit quieter. Um, I kind of feel like there's a difference in the sounds. This is more, how to say it, more natural, and the muffler delete is like more harsh. The loudness is more harsh. It's like more raw, more raw. Is that how I say? More raw than the Invidia Q400. But I love the Q400 though. It sounds amazing. Yeah. So I still have. I still have my muffler delete. If anyone wants to buy it, it's up for sale. So yeah, check out these guys. So nice. Hey guys, welcome back. So after I was editing the video and taking a look at and hearing the sounds between the muffler deletes and the Invidia R400, I kind of feel like I like the rawness of the muffler deletes more than the Invidia. But then the Invidia is a little bit quieter, which I like. I don't really like that loud noise. So, and remember that California law AB 1824 has been back to normal, which means that so it's no longer a $1,000 fine right away. So it's back to a fix-it ticket. So that's good for us car people. So so just make sure your car is not louder than 94 decibels, and that will be fine. Yeah, so now it's legal to, well, it's not technically legal, but it's, well, it's not technically legal, but it's a fix-it ticket now. So it's back to our fix-it ticket, so we can just fix it, and then we don't have to worry about that $1,000 fine for that loud exhaust law, for that loud exhaust. So yeah, what do you guys think? Should I go back to the Remark Muffler deletes, or should I just keep the R400? I don't know. So leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think I should go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. After hearing both sounds, I kind of like both sounds. I kind of like the quietness of the R400, while the muffler deletes offer like a raw feeling, like kind of like, I don't know how to say it. It sounds so much better, but at the same time it's so loud. I don't know. Well, let me know what you guys think. Okay, Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Bye. See you in the next one.